Yawa Ghana party in the park. Yakatremo. Yes, a program na de bremono. Any program ba ko ye de bremo episode by episode. I say you want me be ma ho fefo bi. The most handsome man. I we fashion designer. Yaba ne nchen. Na me hwe in fact, manage ho obika ye wose nyankopon adom yenuanom abi achade obroni bese was a gift wamani nimdia amani tumi ade apam entare fe say ye won shop ye ne baba twetwe nkomo ai na fei wa kire ekwan a efa so a odi chi adwuma na watumi aye ade ababasi sabre menua bema Juu TV any ya shafo ni etiefo e ma wakwa aba
yenya
oh to say
but nyame you're very okay
me pa chaw bo wudin efo che etiefo any adofo any baby a ufre ha sa krom ha na wote a UK ha sa ya mayehu sa Ghana so na wo na wo de ufri ho e de ba ha sa so a mayehu
yeah so your friend me Bennett Nana Kwame Siama but because of the brand Obi friend me Bello now me pam nyama ni free Ghana. Now most of the time if there's any big event say here and I'm about UK better.
You was say or pam nyama ni free Ghana at the by UK ha beton. Now on your big event it is set and another year a job ewa how and yasam kitwa. Ya here I share the four baby ewa ha say. And ti yenya be man so apam sanya kama we say nyina edi free Ghana edi about UK ha say Ghana party in the park our babeton binua bema ebrebe and I was say obepa made
so officially no me a medical lab scientist na fashion idea me ni jin from Nkwalabrim it do time bia inyama be very difficult and I me decided say okay I then I'm moving into something I'm here passionate about and I'm started Bello Couture. It's officially no me started Bello Couture the 8 years. And Nyamiadom brand not an international brand that shows all over Amsterdam, Belgium, Germany, DCI, UK. UK this is not the first time I have a program or this is like the fourth time I have a program.
What's the man or say the company ni day? Bello Couture.
Yeah.
Bello Couture. Now I say Enya Ghana nkwana pomade no wo do international wo feel local wo ko international wo bubo countries bebredi wo ko ho ekokoton niema abra ye bodwane edwa mebo a
me ba che no ano no
na wo ko nso a niema ton no eti say
oh nyame adom say etefo hu the kind of niema me ton a more of the western niema even though me use more of African print and I inculcate Western fabrics, no. It's because of the way it's here, no. Or me need Juu totally like they are most of the sales are me sold out and send me free on. It's because of that and then I'm meeting me back more like meeting me back more because or me need nyama be brave me de ba nyama me de ba nyina obi ani ji obi ni de me shey obi ni jacket ne hoodies ni nyama na colorful nyama ne and I won't say your summer so there and it goes with colors. What I say internal Sama no me bringing more of this colorful stuff now.
Sama ho eya obi se uko school nko a na wo ye odefo uko school nko a na sebe mpreduasa wonim nyansa obetumi atena office wo se wo ko school no na wo ye the science
medical lab yes
na wo ye medical lab edu baby no ohun se enya ni side ni ho enti wo move na okokoye ni fashion designer ampanyankopon aye na dom say we be fashion designer no so no we free local eco international wo hwe ni ntade ya feye wo hwe as a company ke sie bia chese UK ha company ke sie bi pa e na apam sa ne ma no mi hu se ye nua be me na apam sa ne ma no me nwanwa wa ya de pa wa ya de nyame show na woni ama no so say na oton no ebo no
so normally the least one cry £40 and the highest is about £100 but because a big day now the person will be anya opportunity enti tobi no matiti ni nyina so enti price is not perform the least is £35 and the highest is like £80.
I have heard muya my way program I have heard muya boom program na I have heard muya boom program I have heard other konka program I have heard muya Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. What's all your sales? So many of them say, oh, yes, sales. Yes, oh, yes, sales. Yes, it's true. You see, 9 gentlemen. This man is from Ghana. Yes, she's a fashion designer. Fashion designer. If you see this man's clothes, it's very, very, very interesting. In fact, yes, and he's so handsome. Now he said he's not sewing the clothes only in Ghana. He is international now. Yes. So do you have a website?
Yes. So
okay.
Anybody can shop from the website at www.bellocouturegh.com. Misansi subiem www.bellocouturegh.com. Bibia ewo unhuabia obetimi order from the shop and it will be delivered straight to your home. No matter the country you be deliver straight to Fie.
Okay. Yeah, he said he not send this cloth is not for only Ghanaians. Anyone can buy it from online. Yes, if you buy it, he will deliver it straight into your address. The address you put it in there, he will deliver the clothes straight to your house. So please, if you are interested, you can go to his website, yes, to buy any clothes you want, and he will deliver straight into your address. I mean, Abema. So and Chiabi will be become BBA will be a flown me the amount. Casa church and for
me auntie or and I'm a chia me mammy or Ghana. I mean Ghana for your mom follow Bello Couture or more. I mean they are yet to know me or munina me den check as come on munina.
I have heard the movie. My way program I have heard the movie. Boom boom program I have heard the movie. Boom program I have heard other program I have heard. Keep watching Juu TV and subscribe Juu TV. Bello Couture say Ghana for what you amunyina. What you do for money je ho amoye interested amoton entade nyina. What you amunyina. Juu TV ana ogusu ahwe no. Ai Kwasuwa ne sho Juu TV eniema papa yede ni nyina ebebremo ye nyimu mu kra bibia ye nsa beka bia a eye fa bia yede ni nyina ebebremo mesi enede ben ene program na de bremo no eye episode by episode enye part 1 and 2 no eye episode upon episode. Keep watching Juu TV.